Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Swan Green at Roshpunjo near Joka metro station. This is just 1.9 km from Joka metro station, and you can see this is a 3 BHK 968 square feet sellable area along with 3 bedroom, 1 kitchen, 2 toilets and 1 beautiful balcony. So you can see this is the pattern of this flat, smartly designed, no wastage on lobby. On entry you can see this is the common toilet area with separate shower space, western commode and the basin area, and this is the main entry gate. And on entry you can see this is the living cum dining space. And come this side. This is the first bedroom with having a size of 8 by 8 square feet. It's a small size bedroom. You can see this as a kids bedroom. And just beside that, this is the kitchen space. So it's a L pattern kitchen with black stone countertop with stainless sink. It's a rectangle shaped kitchen, and this is the first kids bedroom. You can see this, and from this bedroom you can have a view like this. This is the view from the window, green view and internal boundary of the project, and all switch points have been given with AC points. Now come this side. Again, this is the living cum dining space, excellently designed. Now come, this is the master bedroom. So we are entering into the master bedroom along with a big size window, and the size of this master bedroom is 11 by 11, almost a square size. And this master bedroom is having attached toilet. This is the attached toilet space, basin area, and see the light of this bedroom, and also see the view outside. This is excellent view of natural water body as per Vastu. On the north side, if water body happens to exist, that is very auspicious as per Vastu. So on north you can have water body. So now again see the view from the balcony. Excellent view from balcony, green view with water body. And now come this side. This is the third bedroom. So it's a beautiful third bedroom with having windows on both the side for cross ventilation. And the size of this bedroom is approximately 10 feet by 11 feet. And from this also you can see a beautiful water body view outside, and you can see the view outside. And this side also you can see this is the internal buildings view of our complex. So thanks for watching. This is a great flat of 968 square feet sellable area with 3 BHK, 2 toilets, 1 kitchen and a great living cum dining area. So if you are interested, then please call as early as possible, because we are having single unit left of this size, and we are giving some great discounts currently for very limited period. So thanks a lot for watching. Please share and subscribe for further updates.